Today I'm gonna share with you how to make basic clear slime. You will need clear glue, some baking soda, and contact lens solution or eye drop. First, pour as much clear glue as you want. Next, add in your baking soda. You want to stir it slowly so you can prevent air bubbles and your slime can turn clear faster. Mix till you cannot see any more baking soda. Next, add your contact lens solution. You also want to stir slowly so you will prevent air bubbles getting trapped. Keep on adding contact lens solution and mixing. It's okay if it turns foggy, like this. Once your slime is not so sticky anymore, but if it's still sticky, just add more contact lens solution. But once your slime is not so sticky anymore, just keep it in an airtight container and leave it for 3 to 7 days so all the air bubbles can be gone and you'll end up with clear slime. I hope you can follow these steps and make clear slime. Thank you.